How to make a business card in Canva PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. On the home page, click on the Create a Design button and search for Business Card in the search bar. Select a business card template to start designing. Next, choose a pre-made template from Canva's extension library or start from scratch with a blank canvas. Canva offers a variety of professional layouts, colors, and styles suitable for different businesses. Once your template is ready, you can customize your business card. Click on any text box to edit the name, title, contact information, or company details. You can also change fonts, color, and sizes to match your branding. Add logos, icons, or images by using the Elements or Upload panel. Drag and drop your logo or design elements onto the canvas and adjust their size and position. You can also change the background color, add patterns, or use textures to make your business card unique. Once your design is ready, click on Share and then Download. Choose your preferred format such as PNG, JPG, or PDF and save your business card to your PC. Now you know how to make a business card in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.